Isn't this cute though? We'll just put them in the middle of nowhere sort of thing. The engineering phase of the Watson subway has concluded. Yeah, I suppose. Just imagine that the same thing. You know, you get on and then I wonder where the train is. Oh my god, the train's here. Whee! Onwards. And then we'll put a vending machine here. We'll put I don't know what kind of thing. Maybe wait. I was gonna say rail cart vending machine, but no, you won't need that. We'll do something else. I don't know what kind of vending machine. Peanut milk, of course. Of course.